Hey, what's up? This is J Lucky Henry, and today we're going to talk about group showings. We're going to get a group of y'all together to watch this show. All right? Be ready. They ask me how I know it'll be okay. This is J Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area. You won't believe how many people need to get real. REAL, Real Estate Explained amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds, give or take. Welcome back. It's J Lucky Henry. And today we're talking about group showing. We're still talking about how to showcase your property. Now, we're going to stay on the seller side a little bit, right? Actually, we're going to go back and forth. Follow with me now. So the group showing is kind of like if an open house and a private showing had a baby, right? That would be your group showing. It is a group of people like at the open house, but it's a professionally scheduled appointment and time like a showing. So a group can be anything from 2 to 20. Now, when we're dealing with 2, it's not the same party. So if a couple shows up, that's a private showing. It's just one couple. But a group, 2 individuals or 2 couples or 2 families of any size show up, now we're talking group showing. Different parties who each may want to have an interest in purchasing the property, looking at the property at the same time. So advantages to group showing: on the seller side, you're getting people in. You're kind of doing that. You're doing that a little bit of both, right? Where you have that exclusivity as a showing, but you have that group mentality. It's like, oh, I gotta compete with these people. And these are only the people they let in. Whoa, must be a lot of interest. If I want this, I gotta make a strong offer. Thoughts that could be running to the buyer's head, right? And on the buyer's side, benefits to a group showing, you can kind of scope out the competition, right? If they say group showing and you show up and you're one of 2 people, you're like, I got this. There's not a lot of competition out here. My offer can be strong, but not too strong. Just enough to get this win so I can have this house for myself. All right, those are my tips and strategies for group showing and the definition of it. Right, private showing, open house, big. That's a group showing. See you tomorrow, another video. This is J Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244 and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more. Another way they ask me how I know it.